Alrighty, students, as promised, there's part two to your video. So you should have flipped your paper over and you should see at the top where it says congruence and orientation. So congruence refers to whether the pre-image and the image, remember that's like prehistoric or pre-nub, pre-algebra before, right? So whether the before and the after have the same congruence as size and shape. If something's congruent, it's the same size and it has the same shape. So go ahead and write that in, like you see me typing in. Now, orientation of the figure, that's our word here, orientation of the figure refers to whether that before and after image, I know it's big math words, but remember it's just before and after, old and new. It refers to whether the pre-image and image are facing the same direction. So no matter how we change it, we make it bigger, smaller, is it still facing north? Is it still facing south? Okay, is it still facing east? Is it still facing west? So, orientation of the figure refers to whether everything's still facing the same direction. Now, our next part here, where it says orientation of the blank, refers to the order in which the vertices are labeled. As you saw or guessed, it's going to be vertices. Orientation of the vertices refers to the order in which the vertices are labeled, clockwise or counterclockwise. So, using that information, let's do 1 through 4. What transformation is this? Well, it's a reflection because it flipped. Now, when I flip something, when I look in the mirror, like Michael Jackson said, the man in the mirror, when I do that, is he still the same size, same shape? And of course. So, yes, it preserves congruence. Now, orientation of the figure, is it still facing the same way? Well, no, A was facing west, and now A prime is facing east. So, orientation of the figure, I'm just going to put no for it does not say the same, or yes, it does. Vertices, no, they don't. Use that example from 1 to do 2, 3, and 4, and then actually really the rest of the assignment to see if you actually understood it, okay? If nothing I said made sense, I want you to see this last slide. I'm going to zoom out for you. Here are the 4 transformations. Translations, they slide left, right, up, and down. Reflections, yep, it's all good. Reflections flip across the y-axis or across the x-axis. Rotations rotate or spin, and dilations change in size. Okay, after you finish this, make sure to get your warm-ups or your Maths Mastery Math done for the week, and be respectful to the sub, not because the sub deserves respect or because you're trying to show me respect, but because of who you are at your character, at your core, that you are a respectful individual, okay? Remember, you're all loved, valued, cherished, respected, and appreciated. Have yourself a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.